man, look at old NorCal needs to tidy up a little bit. That was that was the box of parts I got for this freezer. We're gonna put this freezer back together. It's a true two-door reach-in freezer. I got the clicks on for the heater safety, and I got the time clock. And might as well bring you guys along. I don't really have a whole boatload going on. All right, so here's the freezer. They're not working in here right now, so I'm all by myself. I put the hand truck to hold the doors open on both sides. Here's the failed heater safety. So it's right up here, and when the if it gets too hot in there, it opens and takes out your heater circuit. And I think it's 60 degrees, opens, and then it resets minus 30. So at 30 degrees, it'll reclose. So that's how that one works. It's real common for them to fail. And then the time clock, it's 16 years old, and it wasn't getting super happy either. So we'll get that changed out too. Let's get the tip over. Come on, tip over. There she is. The tip over. All right, let's see what we got. We got 4 defrosts. See the pins? And they're at 10s and 4s for about 20 minutes. So we can set up our new one like that. To set your time is this middle probe right here. Push in and turn the copper. It'll turn. So we'll get her at 20. About right there. And then we'll set the pins up for 4s and 10s. Keep it the same the old one was. I just like to do it like that. Keep it the way it was. On my new time clock. So the new time clock will come with 4 pins. Spare pins are usually kept like right in here. Get these old, when you're done with this, harvest those old pins and keep them on your truck. And then if you ever need to add a defrost on a clock you come across, you'll have some extra pins. That's always nice to have. The pins will wear out on the inside. We could take those out and see if over the years they've worn out. Because it is a pin, it'll wear a groove in there sometimes on the actual pin. All right, so new clock, 20 minutes, 4s and 10s. Make sure I got the right clock, 814100 for this application. And basically just changing it out wire for wire. Sometimes you can take a picture of how the wires were laid out. You can write it down. If you got your pen, you can write it down. Like sometimes I'll go like this. I'll go red, pink, white, purple. And then the bottom was black, white, white. But this white was solid wire. I'll go like that sometimes. Defrost termination. This is our bottom row. time clock will come out. You don't need to change the can. The can's fine. Same can. And you got the three little. You got these three connectors on the sides, and they'll go into the openings in the can. It's that simple. If I can see what I'm doing, sometimes I like to get my big fat head in here so I can see what I'm doing. You know. Okay. So this one had the jumper. You gotta take your jumper out. Check your old one, no jumper. Super easy. Jumper. Bam! Let's take one of these pins out and see how it looks. A little bit of a wear mark on there, but not much. So yeah, let's get on to the our heater overheat. heater. There you go. Okay. Put our screws in. Little screw party. Fan delay defrost termination mix, the 3-wire. And the other day it felt like it was taking forever out here. Let me tell you. So on freezers, when it runs, you got your door switches. You're not gonna have the fans until the 3-wire clicks on makes. So it's a fan delay has to, the coil's gotta get cold enough, fan delay will bring the fans on. And then the overload that we changed out, the overheat protection, has to get to 30 before it makes, before you can check your amp draw on your heaters. And that's about it for that. Nothing spectacular. You got to see me, working on that true stuff, getting all this back up there. It's a pain in the ass. Like you saw me fighting with it. Getting all the fans in there and getting it lined up. I always have fun with those. So let me tidy up a little bit. Delay to make can feel like an eternity with these units. Just so you know. Perfectly normal for it to take a while, and I'm talking like 10 minutes, and it'll feel like forever. So watch, let's take a look in here. Remember, you gotta have the door switch closed for the fans to make, so we're still not even there yet. It's gonna take a while. It takes a little while. Get him, Kuma.